in this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to make a multiplication table in Python programming. Okay, so you have to collect input from a user and print out a multiplication table based on what the user gives you. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So first of all, you go ahead and create a variable num, and this is going to be integer. So assign this to be int and assign input and ask the user to give you anything. Please insert any number. So that should be please insert any number. Okay, so if the user gives you that, I'm going to use a for loop or while loop. I'm use for loop and go ahead and check it out with a while loop. So for I in range, starting from 1 and ends in 10. So I'm going to put 11 because I've shown you this before. So this is 1, 11. So starting from 1 and ends in 10. So it's going to be 1, 11. If you want to print to 11, you put 12 there. Then go ahead and print num and give the symbol of x or x there is or anything. Let me go ahead and give an x. Put a comma, print the value of I. Put a comma and put a symbol of equal sign. Put a comma and num multiply 1. Num multiply I. So let's go ahead and print this out, run this code, and let's check it out. I'll drag this out because this is a multiplication table. It should be many. So please insert any number. Let's give space here. By adding next line, add an X. No, add T so that it should go. Give out a space, run this code again. I see that. Please insert any number. Let's say 6. And hit enter. So 6 multiply 1 is 6, and this is 6 to 10. So if you run this code again, and let's run again. Please insert any number, 9, and hit enter. And this is your multiplication table right here. So what if you go ahead and run again, and let's choose something like 5, and run and get 50. That is 5 to 10. So go ahead and check it out and use while loop to do this, and make sure you just get exactly the same thing because I've taught you while loop. So I believe you can go ahead and check it out and make sure you are getting exactly the same thing. So put it down on your own system and check it out. And if you have any issue or any question, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.